What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix msvcr120.dll is missing from your computer in Windows 10. We will talk about the three methods which you can use to fix msvcr120.dll is missing problem in Windows 10, and I'm pretty sure these methods gonna help you to fix your problem. And make sure you watch the complete video and do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. We need your feedback, so leave your comment in the comment section. Now let's talk about the method. Method 1 is Visual C++ package. Open any browser you have like Google Chrome, click on open and type in here download Visual C++ redistributable package, and you'll see results in here: latest supported Visual C++ redistributable download, and the link is here. Make sure you get the same link, http://doc.microsoft. click on it. You'll be on this page, so scroll it down. You will see the three options in here. As you can see, the first one says ARM64. The second one is x86, which describes as 32-bit architecture, or we can say 32-bit operating system. And the third one is x64, which describes a 64-bit operating system. Do not get confused with ARM 64-bit operating system, because ARM is an architecture is typically used to build CPUs for our mobile devices. So do not get confused with it. If you are using any kind of device like Pi or anything related to mobile devices CPU, then you can download this one. If you are 32-bit operating system user, then you can download this one. If you are 64-bit operating system user, then you can download this one. Here you can simply check the operating system. Click on Windows icon, click on this setting, click on system, and scroll it down and click on about. Here you can see the system type, which says 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. Just simply close it. As I know I have a x64, so I can click on this and I can download it, and afterwards simply install it and restart your computer once, and I'm pretty sure afterwards your problem gets resolved. Now let's move on to the method 2, which is for 32-bit operating system users. Open any browser you have, and here you have to type download msvcr120.dll. You will see this link of the website dll-files.com. Click on it, scroll it down, and here you can see 32-bit architecture and the latest version of it. Click on download. After downloading, just click on show folder and extract it. Here you can see we have msvcr120.dll. Do a right click, select it and do a right click and copy it. Go to this PC, double click on local disk, click on Windows folder, and here you have to find system32. Here we can see system32, and do a right click in it and paste it. Click on replace the file in the destination. Alright, we have this file in here. Now if you are a 64-bit operating system user, you have to do the same thing, and you have to make sure you will not get confused. So you can simply go to your downloads where you have downloaded this file and make a new folder of it so that you will not get confused. 32. Move this file in the 32-bit and make the 64 as well. 64, just to make sure you have a complete track of it. After this, you have to click on this back button, and you can see as you have downloaded a 32-bit operating system, you can download the 64-bit. Simply click on download. It is start downloading in your PC. Here we have a 64-bit msvcr120. So move it in here and double click on it and extract. Alright, we have 64 now and we have 32 here. Extract both of them. Now here we have to just open this folder. Okay, this one is a 32. On your keyboard, press Windows key and E as an echo, and you'll see this one in here. Go back to downloads, open the 64. Now again do the same thing, Windows and E, and this one is the third one. Click on this PC and click on local disk, click on Windows. Here what you have to do, if you are a 64-bit operating system user, then you have to find the system32 and you have to paste the 64-bit msvcr120.dll. Do a right click, copy this one and paste it in here. Make sure you paste it in the empty space because sometime it gets pasted to somewhere else. So just click on replace the file in the destination and hit continue, and it has been replaced. Now go back and you have to find one more folder with the name of syswow64. Double click on it, and here you have to paste 32-bit msvcr120.dll file. Just simply copy it and paste it in here. Click continue. Alright, we have the 64 msvcr120.dll pasted in system32, and the 32-bit operating system is moved to syswow64. So that's the thing you have to do if you are a 64-bit operating system user, and afterwards you can delete both of the folder if you would like to, and I'm gonna delete all of these 3 files. So that's all you have to do to fix your problem, and if it helps you to fix your problem, then give a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comment section. After pasting both of the DLL file, make sure you restart your computer. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.